Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello everyone, I am Ashok. Welcome you all from the bottom of my heart. Today, I am going to tell about recite of my some topic, the history of the White Cane Day. The White Cane Day is an international awareness event to celebrate the importance of the long cane and to promote a safe environment for user. The day will be celebrated on October 15th. The traditional white cane, also known as Hoover's cane, after Dr. Richard E. Hoover, is designed primarily as a mobility tool used to detect objects in the path of a user. The length of the cane depends upon the height of the user. Blind people have used canes as a mobility since centuries, but it was not until after World War I that the white cane was introduced. In 1921, James Biggs, a photographer from Bristol, who became blind after an accident, painted his walking stick white to be more easily visible to vehicular traffic. In 1931 in France, Gilly Harbement launched a national white stick movement for the blind people in the USA. President Lyndon Johnson was the first to make this proclamation. The Rotary Club of Mount About, with its women wing, in her Vale Club, joined hands with NAB P&M Habilitation Center for the Blind to celebrate Same with 10 Difference. In their ongoing awareness, the program of Agyat Se Agyat Tak, from the unknown to the known, in which sighted groups are blindfolded and then are escorted by the visually challenged of the center carrying their white cane, has been going on October 1, as this is not only the month of Right to Sight and the month in which World Sight Day is celebrated on October 8, but the White Cane Day too is held worldwide during this month on October 15th. The presidential proclamation emphasized the significance of the use of the white cane as both a tool and as a visible symbol. A white cane in our society has become one of the symbols of a blind person's ability to come and go on his own. Its use has promoted courtesy and opportunity for mobility of the blind on our street and highway. During most years since 1964, President has proclaimed October 15th as White Cane Safety Day. On October 15, 2000, President Bill Clinton again reminded us of the history of the white cane as a symbol of blindness. With proper training, people using the white cane can enjoy greater mobility and safety by determining the location of curbs, steps, uneven pavement, and other physical obstacles in their path. The white cane has given them the freedom to travel independently to their schools and workplaces and to participate more fully in the life of their communities. It reminds us that only barriers against people with disabilities are discriminatory attitudes and practices that our society has too often placed in their way. As we observe White Cane Safety Day 2001, let us recall the history of the white cane, its emergence as a tool and a symbol through history after of independence. Let us also recall the events that has permitted us to celebrate October 15th as White Cane Safety Day. Thank you. The